Adam 1 log off.
The Chowchilla Police Department would like to take this time to thank Chief Police Dave Riviere for his 32 years of law enforcement service and wish him a very long and happy retirement. Chief Riviere started his law enforcement career in January of 1991, working at the Madera County Department of Corrections as a correctional officer. In February of 1993, while still working at the jail, he began working for the Chowchilla Police Department as a reserve police officer. In July of 1996, Chowchilla Police Chief Al Casey offered to send Dave to the police academy and a full-time job as a police officer upon his successful graduation from the academy. In February of 2002, Dave went to work for Merced Police Department, where he worked for 3 years. In April of 2005, Chief Jake Varney hired Dave and returned to the Chowchilla and began working his way up the ranks until he was promoted to Chief of Police in December of 2014, taking over for newly elected Sheriff Jay Varney. During his 32 years, he has held positions in patrol, investigations, crime scene response, hostage negotiations, bike patrol, gang investigations, and school resource officer. The men and women of Chowchilla Police Department have been honored to be a part of Chief Riviere's long and rewarding 32-year career. Chief Riviere has served the City of Chowchilla, County of Madera, and City of Merced with honor, dedication, and humility. We have had the honor and pleasure of being part of his long and rewarding career. He will be truly missed. Chief Riviere, thank you for your friendship, service, and dedication. The entire Chowchilla Police Department team wish you all the best in your retirement. It is well deserved. It is with great honor on this date at 17:07 hours, I log off my husband, Chief Dave Riviere.
Adam 1. Well, the day has finally arrived that I've been counting down for the past 10 years. It started as a joke. All I can say is it went by extremely fast. It is so surreal to be here after 32 years. There have certainly been a lot of things that have happened in my time with the police department that I will not bore you all with. I do, however, have some thank yous that I'd like to say. First and foremost, I want to thank God for actually answering my prayers and opening doors for me, as well as getting me to the point in my career safely. I appreciate your love and support through the years. I'm thankful I was able to meet you here, Tanya, and we could start a life with our kids and grandkids. I love you all. I appreciate you more than you know. Thank you to the City of Chowchilla for hiring a 23-year-old kid from New York, fresh out of the Air Force, with limited law enforcement experience, and allowing me to grow up in the most awesome community a person could live and work in. To Jay Varney, thank you for believing in me and being a wonderful mentor. I truly appreciate you. Harry Turner, I told you a couple of times you have been like a dad to me. I appreciate you. Well, Dad, I made it. Thanks, Harry. To the community, all I can say is it has truly been my honor and privilege to serve you all of these years. I appreciate all the support you have given the police department and me personally. It has been a pleasure serving you, the good people of this city, and the profession I choose to serve and honor. Oh. To the City Council, thank you for all the support you've given me and the police department. We were able to complete a lot of necessary things to make our department much safer. Thank you to all the city staff. It has been truly my honor and privilege to work with you all. To the police department, my second family, it has truly been an honor and privilege to work with each and every one of you, our dispatchers, CSOs, and officers for all these years. I'm truly blessed to be responsible for a wonderful group of dedicated public servants. I truly love you all and will miss you. However, you are all in great hands. Chief Palmer is going to do an amazing job leading the organization into the future. Please give him the same love and respect you've always given me. I truly love the Chowchilla Police Department and this community. My career has always been about serving the good people of this city and about the profession I choose to serve and honor. With all my heart, I wish you all peace, happiness, and much love. Adam 1, I am 1010 for the last time.